Let's look at social media icons in the footer menu. So go into Site, Pages, and then edit one of the pages that has the footer menu in it. Scroll down to the bottom, click the gear icon, come across to the menu, and down here you're going to see icons. So we can add new icons in and we can delete icons by hitting the deletion. We can also edit. If we go into here, we can edit this icon and change it. We can search for icons here as well. Let's change it to this square one. You can then put your link in here to, in this case, the Facebook page. And say whether it opens in a new tab or not. Let's click Update. You can see this changed to a square icon now. Let's add a YouTube icon. Go into here, do a search under YouTube, and select the YouTube icon. Again, go to Select Action, go to Link, and drop your YouTube link into this area. Open in a new tab and click Save. Now you have a YouTube link in here as well. So you can keep adding your social links inside here. And once you're finished, click Save and Preview. Now down the bottom on the footer, you can see you've got links to your social media sites.